This process we're going to go over is small area repair, and we're doing this with a high-speed electric burnisher. It's 1500 RPMs, and we're using a medium-grade hair pad underneath. And we're using Zing Floor Prep out of the gallon, and we took an empty quart bottle, labeled it Floor Prep, and then filled it with the Floor Prep from the gallon, undiluted. Setting the spray head to a stream, you spray 2 sprays every 2 steps you walk forward. And what's happening is the chemical, the Floor Prep itself, is opening up the pores of the finish with the aid of the machine and the pad and removing dirt from that finish. And as you back up, it closes the pores of the finish and tightens the floor, and you get a nice brilliant shine. So, and then you can burnish it if you want, or put floor finish over it, whatever you want, or just go back to maintaining it. So again, that's the Floor Prep that we're using. It's 2 sprays, 2 steps as you move forward, and then back up over the same area without spraying. And just see the magic that happens.